Hello beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a world of color and creativity, so get ready to glam and glow. So the first step is cleanliness, which I use wipe to clean up my entire face before applying vitamin C syrup. After applying vitamin C syrup, I'll be using my hand to apply it all over the face. Then the next thing I use a mattifying primer. I apply a mattifying primer on my face, which I also use my hand to apply it all over. Then I let it sit for a few minutes to absorb into my skin. So I will be setting up my under eyes, forehead, cheek, nose bridge with shadow powder before applying foundation, because this applying setting powder on your highlighters area before foundation helps makeup to stay longer. You can try it also, and make sure I'm giving you 100% assurance that you are going to get 100% satisfaction, as this will help your makeup to stay longer, more than 24 hours. But you must also use a good foundation, a good quality foundation, and an original setting powder. So hope you get it now. Then I move on to applying contour to my cheekbone. I'm using brush to blend it. I'm blending it upward, like I'm blending it upward, not downward. I'm blending it upward because I want to have that snatch face. So I'm blending it upward. I take it to my forehead, I blend that too. Then to my left cheekbone too, I blend it upward using the same brush. So the excess one on the brush, so I take it to my jaw and to do tap. So that's it. Then I move on to highlighting with concealer, which I use a virtual concealer. So I just use a little bit of concealer. I'm not using too much. Full coverage does not need excess application. A little bit of concealer is okay. It's okay. So I'm blending it upward slowly and steadily to achieve a seamless blend. Make sure you use your favorite blending brush or foam. But me, I love using a beauty sponge to blend in my concealer. Hey beauties, my fabulous viewers, I want to use this moment to send out a big virtual hug to all my amazing subscribers. Your support means the world to me. I'm so grateful for each one of you. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Mina, and my channel name is Mina Beauty. I'm so excited to have you join my beauty community. Thank you so much for joining me, and please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Smash it for me, please. Hit it, please. Hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on my my latest glam section. And to all my OG viewers, I love you all. Please keep showing that love, keep hitting that subscribe button, and let's keep this beauty party growing. And I love you. You know that I really do love you. I love you people. Take my thank you. Then let's dive into. Let's get back to work. So I'm moving to drawing my brow. Sorry. Now it's time to apply eyeshadow. So I prep my eyelid using concealer, and I'm using this blending brush to blend in the concealer. So after blending in, I take a small brush, which is blending brush, to apply a dark brown eyeshadow on my lid. and I'm taking it out. Do you see the way I'm doing my hand? Because I want to have that this wing eyeshadow look. So I'm taking my hand out, then bring it back into the inner corner, down to the outer corner, so straight out to the outer corner. So I move on. So after blending into to my satisfaction, I cut my crease. I'm cutting the crease gently. Cutting crease, you need to do it patiently. So after I cut the crease, I apply a pink shade eyeshadow on it. So this is micellar water. So I'll be using this brush to draw wing eyeliner. So I dip the brush inside the micellar water and I used to take the eyeshadow, and that's what I use in drawing, getting this wing eyeliner, this blue eyeliner that you are seeing. I dip the brush inside micellar water, and I used to take the eyeshadow, and that's what I use. Very simple, and it's come out neat. Please try it. You are going to get 100% good results. Using brush, dip inside your micellar water and take from an eyeshadow any color. You can use gold, yellow, anything, any eyeliner that you want. You can use that. It will come out good for you. So I'll be using the black pencil for my waterline. So I apply it on both waterline, followed by the blue eyeshadow. Please do well to watch this video to the end, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please comment down below. And if there is anything you want to see in my next video, drop it down, comment it down below, and please share and like. Thank you. So let's continue.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island wall.